Hey everyone! Welcome back to MW Technology. In today's video, we're going to explore some of the most popular and innovative smart devices by Google that can enhance your home automation experience. Whether you're looking to improve convenience, security, or entertainment, Google has a smart device for you. And make sure to subscribe, because in my next video, I'll show you exactly how to connect and set up these devices. Let's dive in. Here's what you'll need to follow along. A Google Home device, like the Nest Mini, Nest Hub, or Nest Audio. Compatible smart devices such as smart bulbs, e.g. Philips Hue, TP-Link, smart plugs, or thermostats, e.g. Nest Thermostat. The Google Home app installed on your smartphone. Once you have these, you're ready to set up your Google-powered smart home. The Google Nest Hub is more than just a smart speaker. It's the control center for your smart home. Here are the key reasons why you should consider adding it to your setup. Unlike traditional smart speakers, the Nest Hub comes with a touchscreen, allowing you to control devices, visually manage lights, thermostats, cameras, and more with a simple tap. See everything at a glance. The home screen gives you a quick overview of all your connected devices. Google Assistant is even more powerful with a screen. Visual responses. Instead of just hearing the weather forecast or recipes, you can see detailed information, charts, or step-by-step instructions. Multitasking. While asking about your schedule, you can also control your music or check your connected cameras. The Nest Hub integrates seamlessly with Google Home and works as the brain of your smart home. Centralized routines. Set up automation like dimming lights, locking doors, and playing music for your good night routine. Device compatibility. Works with thousands of smart devices from brands like Philips Hue, Nest, and Ring. Streaming hub. Watch YouTube, Netflix, or other streaming services directly on the screen. Music control. Sync with Spotify or YouTube Music and manage playlists visually. Camera integration. View live feeds from your security cameras or doorbell directly on the Nest Hub. Voice alerts. Get notifications about suspicious activity or reminders about doors left open. Now, let's talk about the Google Nest Thermostat. It learns your temperature preferences over time, making your home more energy efficient and helping you save on heating and cooling bills. You can control it remotely through the Google Home app, or just use voice commands with Google Assistant. Safety first. The Google Nest Cam and Nest Doorbell are game changers when it comes to home security. The Nest Cam offers HD video and motion alerts, while the Nest Doorbell lets you see and talk to anyone at your door, all from your phone or smart display. If you love streaming, then you need the Google Chromecast. It lets you stream content from your phone, tablet, or computer directly to your TV. Plus, with Google TV integration, you get personalized recommendations and voice control. For all your Wi-Fi needs, Google offers Google Wi-Fi. This mesh Wi-Fi system ensures a fast and reliable internet connection in every corner of your home. Plus, you can manage everything from the Google Home app, including setting up guest networks and parental controls. So, there you have it. Google's smart devices are designed to make your life easier, safer, and more enjoyable. Whether you're upgrading your home security, entertainment, or climate control, these gadgets integrate seamlessly with your lifestyle. If you're interested in any of these devices, check out the links in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech tips and reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.